Hello everyone, welcome to Level Up Phonics. In Class 1 English Grammar Series, we are going to learn the topic of has, have. How can we use has and have in a sentence? Let's learn in this lesson. Has, have. First we will learn about has. Has is used with he, she, it and singular noun. He has, she has, it has. Singular noun means one person, one thing, one animal, whatever it is, one. That is called singular noun. With singular noun also has is used. He has, she has, it has, singular noun has. Now let's see some examples. He has two sisters. He is a one person. So it is used with has. She has a red bag. She is a one girl. So has is used with she. It has a long tail. It's a animal or thing. Only one is there. So has is used with it. Ram has new bike. Ram, it's a name of a person and there is only one person. So has is used with singular noun. Ram is a singular noun. And if we can say monkey has two ears. Here monkey is one. So it's a singular noun. Has is used with a singular noun. He has, she has, it has. Singular noun has. Now let's see where can we use have. Have is used with I, you, we, they and plural noun. Plural noun means more than one. More than one people, more than one animal, more than one things, more than one names. These are called plural nouns. So have is used with plural noun. I have, you have, we have, they have, plural noun have. Now let's see some examples. I have two eyes. I have two eyes. Have is used with I. You have black hair. Have is used with you. We have a big house. We means more than one. So have is used with we. They have three houses. They means more than one and have is used with they. Ram and Sita have a pet. Here Ram is one person and Sita is one person. Total we have two. More than one. It's a plural noun. So have is used with plural noun. Let's take a quick revision. He has, she has, it has, singular noun has. I have, you have, we have, they have, plural noun have. Now let's see this worksheet. Fill in the blanks with has and have. First one, my father dash brown hair. My father, it's a only one person. So if it's one person, then has is used. Now the sentence is, my father has brown hair. We dash class today. We means more than one. So have is used with we. We have class today. Ria dash black eyes. Ria, How many girls are there? Only one. Riya is one girl. So, with singular noun, has is used. Riya has black eyes. A rabbit dash pink nose. Rabbit. Only one rabbit is there. It's a singular noun. So, has is used with a singular noun. A rabbit has pink nose. I dash many toys. I have many toys. Riya dash a car. Riya, it's a one girl. So, it's a singular noun and has is used with a singular noun. Riya has a car. A car dash four wheels. How many cars are there? There is only one car. It's a singular noun. Has is used with singular noun. A car has four wheels. You dash a key. You have a key. We dash a garden. We have. We is a plural. Manu dash an umbrella. Manu. It's a singular noun. Only one boy is there. So, has is used with singular noun. Manu has an umbrella. Let's take a quick revision now. He has, she has, it has. Singular noun has. I have, you have, we have, they have. Plural noun. So, this is about has and have. I hope my videos would be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning. Bye bye.